Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about the passive form. We use it to report be plus past participle. For example, this park was built in 1998. The passive form can be conjugated to all tenses. Let's take a look at this table. Present simple. The thief is arrested. Present continuous. The thief is being arrested. Past simple. The thief was arrested. And present perfect. The thief has been arrested. Henry has stolen my car. The car has been stolen by Henry. We used by to identify who stole the car. When there are two complements in one sentence. She sent me a telegram. Me and telegram are both complements of the sentence. When we transform it to the passive form, we say, I was sent a telegram, or a telegram was sent to me. Good. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!